So welcome friends and members to AMNI's 6th Knowledge Webinar Series. We all know that NSE Now software has been around for a long time and we all got so used to it. In fact, it made our life so easy for us. But NSE has now taken to withdraw this service and we have to respect that decision. Although I'm hopeful that some extension might be given by NSE to all our members to find some suitable alternatives. So in the quest for these alternatives, AMNI is now conducting technology webinars to allow trading platform vendors to showcase their products for our members. In the past week, AMNI has conducted webinars with BSE where they showcase their BOW and best solution. And also just 2 days ago, AMNI conducted a webinar with FinSpot, basically to help our members to migrate from the NOW trading platform and make more informed choices. In today's webinar, we were going to talk about a trading solution offered from Greeksoft. So before I continue, let me also introduce the speakers for today. We have today with us Mr. Hari, who is the Chief Business Officer from NSE. He has been very supportive of AMNI initiatives and he's actually very well known to us and really requires no introduction. So I welcome you, Mr. Hari. And we also have Mr. Amardeep Chadha, who is a Senior Manager Marketing from Greeksoft Technologies Private Limited. He has more than 10 years of rich experience in the fintech industry, working with exchanges, retail, and institutional brokers across assets and trading applications. And he also has exposure to the Asia Pacific markets. And along with him, joining is his colleague, Mr. Jainam Gala. He is well versed with CTCL, algo trading, mobile-based trading, and he has worked very closely with proprietary desk, retail clients, and institutional desk. So I'm hoping that this webinar will illuminate our members to take better informed decisions. And I also again wish to warmly welcome everybody, as well as the speakers for today's webinar. And I hand over this session to Mr. Hari for this introductory remarks. Over to you, Mr. Hari.
Thank you. Thank you. Good evening to all of you. Thanks for this opportunity. So, as I was telling you last time, it is our endeavor to put as many, vendors in front of the members, so that members can take informed decisions. As Josefa was saying, that NSE had to discontinue now, in September, but we are working together very closely with ANMI to figure out and see how many good members, how many good vendors we can put in front of you, so that you can look at the features, you can look at everything and take a call, and that's the initiative. So from our side, we are also working continuously to handhold members, as we promised before. We will not leave members high and dry in between. We'll ensure that we put you all in safe hands. We put you all into people who are experts in the subjects. Today we have one more expert who's going to take you through their presentations. So like that, I think we have ANMI has lined up at least 4 or 5 of them in front of you, so that you can take a call. So with this thoughts, and we'll work very closely with ANMI. We'll and find out after you finish the presentations and whatever feedback you have based on the presentations, and whatever support from NSE which you require, I think we'll be more than happy to work very closely with you and take you seamlessly through this. So without much ado, I'll hand it over to the Greeksoft guys to take you to the presentations, and thank you once again for this opportunity.
Thank you, Mr. Hari, for joining us, and over to you, Mr. Amardeep. After your presentation, we will, I think Jainam has one, and then we will take Q&A from our members. Over to you, Amardeep.
Sure. Thank you. First of all, I would like to thank ANMI for giving us an opportunity to present our, products on this platform. We have so many members associated with ANMI, and this is the best platform to showcase our products. So thank you, ANMI, for that. Secondly, I would like to thank everyone who has joined today. So thank you for taking time out of your schedule to join for the Greeksoft presentation on our retail product. So let's not waste any more time, and I'll present with our PPT. Janam, if you can, next slide, please. Sure. So Greeksoft, is in the market since last 2 decades. It's a well-known name. Greeksoft is a one-stop solution for all your trading needs. So most of the people are aware about Greeksoft. We've been market leaders in algo trading for a while now, and algo trading has been our forte. That's without any doubt. But it's not just algo trading that we provide, but we have all the trading solutions for you under one roof. So when we talk about other solutions, we not only have algo trading, but we also provide mobile trading app, CTCL, internet-based trading, web-based trading, RMS solution. We also have APIs. Then we have a software called Greek Trend Trader, which is a chart-based solution. So, everything that you need, we can provide you with that. So, it's a solution for proprietary desk, for institutional desk, for retail traders, as well as for individuals. So, I'll give you a brief about our background. So, Greeksoft got incepted in 1997. That's when we got incepted. It's been more than 2 decades of successful journey. We started our journey with our portfolio management software, which was our bread and butter initially. Then we moved on to RMS and then CTCL. And then when SEBI allowed algos in 2007 and 2008, we started developing algo solutions as well. And now, since last 2-3 years, we have also developed solutions for retail, which includes IBT products and mobile trading apps. Next slide, please. Okay, so these are some of our specialities. As I told you earlier, you must have seen this in the previous slide as well. Greek PMS, Portfolio Management Solution, that was our flagship product. We started with Greeksoft Portfolio Management Solution. It's a product which is a read-only product, wherein after you trade, you will be able to see your portfolio, your Greeks, your M2M, your payoff, your charts. You can do a what-if analysis or simulation, as they say. You can do a simulation kind of a thing, and maybe you can also do a paper trading kind of a thing in that particular software. Greeksoft Arbitrage Strategies. That was the first algo product that we had come across. So everyone is well versed how it works. So it has cash to cash, cash to future, future to future, pair trading. So there are many kind of arbitrage strategies that can be done not only on NSE or BSE platform, but also on MCX, NCDEX, DGCX, and CME as well. So, we also have presence in international market. We are empaneled vendors with DGCX, LME, and CME as well. So it's not just national, but we also hold international presence in market. Moving ahead, when we talk about Greeksoft directional strategies, we have all kind of directional strategies starting from TWAP, VWAP, slice order. We also have strategies on options, which is my next topic, wherein you can do any 2-leg, 3-leg, 4-leg, 6-leg strategies. You can do IV-based strategies, which is implied volatility-based strategies. We also have tools for hedging your delta, dynamic delta hedging, which can automatically hedge your delta. And then we have a software called Greek Trend Trader, which is a chart-based solution. Now, this is a different kind of a chart-based solution. It's an end-to-end chart-based solution, which will not only print signals or backscan data or do back testing for you, but it will also execute the strategies automatically. So whenever the signal is printed, it will automatically execute all the strategies automatically. Now, today's topic is on retail products that we need to offer. So, just to give you a brief about retail, we offer CTCL, internet-based trading, which is web-based trading, as well as mobile apps. We've been doing that since past 2.5-3 years. I would admit that, we are new to the market, but we have sufficient client base as of now. We have good amount of clients on board already, and we look forward to, take you on board as well. So over to Jainam Gala. He will present the case for the retail offerings that we have. Please, Jainam. Thank you.
Thank you, Amardeep. Thank you for the quick introduction. I would like to thank ANMI for arranging this presentation and giving us the exposure, and to the members who are looking out for perfect vendor to meet their needs. No matter if they have one or two IDs or they have 1,000 IDs, we are more than happy to accommodate. So, not wasting much time, I would like to start the retail front. I'll just give you a brief introduction about how we work in retail. We are into mobile apps, web-based HTML libraries, IBT, EXE, and the dealer module. In mobile, we also offer Android and iOS. Web-based is coded in HTML5. So I'll just show you some features or some UIs that we have developed for our clients. So this is in the front end. This is we have developed it for one of our clients. So this is the home page wherein.
Sorry, Janam, I think you'll have to speak a little louder.
Okay, sorry. Hello, is it better now?
It's better now. It's better.
Okay. Okay. So on the front end, all the data which NSE gives, like top gainers, top movers, top gainers in terms of volatility, in terms of volume, top gainers in terms of derivatives, in terms of volume, we have accommodated everything on the front end itself. Not only for NSE, but we have accommodated it for all the exchange: NSE, BSE, commodity, currency, MCX, and NFDX. So we have done it for all the exchanges on a single page. Moving ahead, talking about the orders, we have all the orders like bracket order, cover order, stop loss market orders, MTF orders, GTD or good till date orders, aftermarket orders. We've tried to accommodate everything on a single screen itself. To give a basic idea about it, this next slide wherein you can see just a gist of it. Okay. Now talking about order, apart from orders, we also have our library and a forte in charts. You can see intraday charts and with the multiple time frame and with multiple indicators on the mobile itself and all the segments. Next page would be for a brief gist about their portfolio, their M2M, current position, net position, M2M and holdings, and what is the current investment and net profit or loss booked would be shown on this page. This is one of a kind product that we offer. It's called a strategy finder, wherein user just has to input his market outlook, whether he is bullish, bearish, neutral, or volatile about the market. He has to select the strikes, upper strike and lower strike in the in any of the instrument he wants to trade in, and he has to just press on the scan. So basically, a strategy finder will facilitate the naive option traders who are new to option trading and they want to execute option strategies. This product, this feature of ours would give them what is the maximum profit they can achieve out of the strategy, what is the maximum loss, what is the break-even point from where they'll start, the strategy will start making money. It is absolutely on the mobile app that we have given on the subscription basis. Now coming to the web, we have similar features integrated in web as well, wherein all the kind of orders like intraday, delivery, MTF, SSE, short sell equity, day order, IOC orders, aftermarket orders, good till date orders and stop loss market orders, every kind of possible orders that you would think we have integrated it on the web and mobile and IBT platform as well. Same as you saw in mobile, you can see the strategy finder option in web as well. I'm just showing you the USP features apart from what other players offer or normal buy sell window. I'm just concentrating on what extra we have apart from market. So again, you have to select upper strike and lower strike, the market outlook, and the combination of the legs that you want to execute your order in. You can press scan. These are the number of strategies that we offer, and you can press scan, and on the press of one button you can see the maximum profitable strategies or the strategies according to your budget. You can also input your amount, the risk amount that you want to execute, and it would give you all the kind of strategies, the permutation combination in which your parameters are fit. Now coming to the CTCL and IBT platform, this is the front end that we offer in CTCL and IBT along with charts on subscription basis. There are multiple features apart from F1 and F2. I would like to brief you about that in the coming slides. Okay. So here also we have integrated all the kind of orders like the ones which I mentioned earlier. If anyone wants to execute bulk orders, you can upload the batch file across multiple clients in a single click. You can also select the validity of the order. It is an intraday product type, and you can just upload an Excel or batch file, and you can execute bulk orders into a system on a single click. We have live charts with you can also write the codes. You can also save them. You can print signals on them, and you can see how you can back test it as well. Again, the strategy finder, we also offer strategy finder on EXE platforms on subscription basis, wherein you just have to give the payoffs. You have to just give your risk amount and the market outlook, and the system on the basis of artificial intelligence, it will give you all the strategies that would make you money on the basis of the parameters that you have given. Apart from it, the events like the script, these are the basic scanners that we offer. The high low touching scripts, intraday high low, 52 weeks high low scripts which are near to upper circuit or lower circuit, or which have already achieved upper circuits or lower circuits in the market. These are the scanners, that the small scanners you can place into the side of the screen, which will give you a basic idea about all the scripts, how it's working. You can also put your permutation combination like the scripts, the quantity and the value, the permutation combination of both the parameters, and you can press on scan. So all the scripts matching your parameters would be listed down. This is the OI change report on the CTCL platform that we offer, the open interest analysis and intraday change of the open interest analysis on the EXE platform. Market-wide position change report on the platform. We've also given the option chain, which is much faster and it gets much updated much faster than exchange, because you have to keep refreshing the exchange's website. Over here, you can just have updation as and when exchange provides. To back the retail system, the backbone of it is obviously the RMS. All the features like M2M square off, timer square off, fund utilization, you can integrate multiple APIs like payment gateway, the fundamental data, news, events, back office, anything you want to you can integrate it. And the backbone of all the retail system, that is RMS, would facilitate it smoothly. Just given a slide wherein you can set the limits. There's the hierarchy of group limit, then your branch group admin, the branch admin, the dealer, and then the retailer. You can set all the parameters on the basis of these hierarchy. You can map the products that you want to map it to the clients. If you want to allow only intraday orders, if you want to allow only delivery orders, you want to have an M2M square off set on certain clients, or timer square off, you want to send SMSs, emails from the admin, trade SMSs, order SMSs. As soon as the account get created, you want to send welcome email with the username and password. Everything you can do it from the admin. So I've just given my and my colleague's number on the screen. If anyone has to see a detailed demo on these products that we offer, you can have you can contact us, or maybe you can mark us a mail on this ID so that we can have a personal interaction, and I can give you a much detailed demo required.
Thank you, Janam. If any members have any queries, please feel to post it on your chats. I have a few queries, Janam. So does your platform support margin trade products like
MTF? Yes.
support? Okay. And you mentioned about payment gateways.
Right.
So what are the payment gateways that you've already integrated?
We've integrated with Razor and Atom. Atom is the most widely accepted platform. Most of our clients use Atom, so we've integrated with Atom and Razorpay. Yeah.
Okay. And there is a question we have. Question is, in which version we will get all these features? There are different versions you give to different members, or is there just one product for everybody?
This is just one of the version, but we do customize our solution, our platform or our front end on the basis of how client requires it. The color combination gets changed, the logo obviously gets changed, the splash screen, the front screen would also change. So this is just one of a version that we have developed for the clients. So I have shown them. There is no specific version as such. The exchanges version is like DC 4111, which we are, as a member or as a vendor would have to take the approval for. And the front end, you have to customize it, and we would be more than happy to integrate your logo, your color combination, and the splash screen, anything. Any customization would be required, we can do it.
Okay. And does this platform support institutional trading?
Institutional trading, yes. On the dealer module, you can do institutional trading as well. But you just need to inform us if you are doing institutional trading, because by default, the mapping of custodian clients is blocked. So I have to, whenever I give you the license, or maybe whenever I give you the software, I have to unlock that custodian flag, and I have to give you.
Okay. And do you provide APIs too for the software?
APIs for CTC, for APIs for OMS, and interactive APIs for OMS and RMS written in C++ and Python.
So is it possible that using the APIs, members can create their own front-end apps? Is that an alternative?
Yeah, for EXE you can create, not for mobile and web-based terminal. For EXE you can do it.
EXE. And you talked about strategy finder in
Right.
the Is you said it's on a subscription basis. So is it
Right.
part of the offering or it's a separate offering?
It is basically on the subscription basis, as in there are like, for giving you an example of Sensible for Zerodha. So it is basically a strategy. It is a value added service. The brokers who wants to give this value added service to the client, you can request us for the license, and the number of license requested, we would be giving on the license basis, actually on the subscription basis.
Okay. And is this like, what about hosting? Do you take care of the hardware for hosting the solution, or members have to find their own hosting partners for
both
this?
both options are available. We are into the process of taking ASP membership, and we would be, more, we are expecting it to get live next month and to the max, as September 13 is the date where now is going to be, no more with us. So we are expecting it to get live by July end, and we would be hosting the servers as well, hosting services along with managed services.
So the members can, I mean, you can take complete ownership of the software as well as the hardware part, right?
Hardware, yes, yes.
And you said algo trading is also permitted. Is it allowed on the software? Algo trading?
On the CTCL, if a member has an exchange approval for algo approval, then you can do it on the EXE platform, the dealer module, not on IBT, but on the dealer module you can do it.
And is it predefined algos or members can code their own algos?
Both options are available. There are 50-55 predefined algos, and if you want to code your algo, you can do that as well.
Okay. And using this software, can also people use SLBM, IPO segments is all integrated?
IPO is under development. OFS is under development. SLBM, we are already live with SLBM. These two are under development. Apart from it, all the segments are available.
Okay. There was something you talked about also, opportunity finder. I think
Strategy finder, actually.
strategy finder is for options. Is there something else for general opportunity finder? Like
Yeah.
apart from options trading, can somebody use fundamental technical data together to find some
Yes.
opportunity? There's some
Yes,
features
yes.
like that inbuilt.
Right. So, say if a user has some technically, he's a technically sound guy, and he writes or codes the strategy, a software would give a pop-up based strategy. For if he wants to see all the scripts have crossed the simple moving average of say 50 or 40 or 45. So matching that condition, the pop-ups will be given on the screen. Whatever you code or whatever you require, on the basis of that, the signals would be generated, and you can see the strategies or the scripts.
Okay. And members have asked, what about the cost? How is the pricing? How do you said,
I
like, even
guess
if you
Amardeep would be in a better position to answer that question.
Right. So when we talk about cost, definitely, that's the pain point of everyone, since now was absolutely free, and now when you have to pay, cost is one major factor when we talk about it. But we will ensure that this is gonna be very, very competitive price compared to other vendors in the market. So that is gonna be very competitive price in the market, and soon will come out with the pricing structure. Yes, and the pricing structure, when we talk about the pricing structure, will have different slabs. If you have more number of IDs that you purchase, definitely the cost would go down. But for the members who just want to start with say 5 IDs or 10 IDs, the ones we have ensured that we address their pain perfectly. So, when we talk about pricing, yes, we'll come out with very competitive price compared to all the vendors in the market.
And on the pricing part, will it be ID based? Will it be market segment based? Will it be concurrent user based? How is it going to be?
It's gonna be ID based, user based. Yes.
Okay.
But
And
if someone has many clients, if it's a big broker with large volume, we can definitely consider that as well. But they won't have any problem, honestly. The ones who are are with less than 25 users, we have to ensure that we smoothly make a transition for them. So we'll ensure that our pricing would be very beneficial for the ones who start with less than 10 IDs or maybe 25 IDs as well.
And are you empaneled with the exchange?
Yes, we are empaneled with the exchange. Yes.
Okay. And how long does it take for you to onboard members? How long will they take to migrate?
So, yeah, provided I would say a week or maximum 10 days for smooth transition. Correct me if I'm wrong, Jainam.
Oh, sure.
Uh,
There's a process of IBT approval that is there for all the exchanges. There are separate approval processes for the exchanges. Even if the user already has an IBT approval, but it would be with the different vendor, so they compulsorily have to take an IBT approval with Greeksoft. So that would take around maximum of 10 days participation in test market, participation in simulation market. There are a couple of annexures to be signed, all uploading on the exchange, and it would take around 10 working days to get an approval from the exchange.
So all in all, you can say that if I have to get approval for all the exchanges, can be done in about 2 weeks
On a
time.
simultaneously, yes, simultaneously on in 10 days we can do it.
And another question is, do you have any live members currently on all exchange
Yes,
platforms?
yes.
Yeah. So I think for now is I've got only these questions. If you have any more questions, feel free. I think they have shared their numbers on the screen.
right.
You can contact them directly, and the email ID is also mentioned. So I want to again thank Amardeep and Jainam for coming over and addressing all our members and giving them options with your
Right.
software. And I'm hoping that members would make the best use of it. This recording is also going to be available later. If anybody missed out on this, they can look at it later. So thank you, Amardeep. Thank you, Jainam, for this.
Thank you. Thank you.
And thank you all members for joining us today. Thank you very much.
Cost is one major